Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is March 26, 2025, and we're taking a look at XAUUSD. We'll cover recent news and dive into the chart data to formulate a trading strategy. Recent headlines suggest that XAUUSD is holding steady around $3,020, but there are a lot of factors at play, from Trump's tariff threats to expectations about Federal Reserve rate cuts, so let's dive in. The market seems to be pausing for a breather, as some analysts put it. Let's start with the daily chart to get a broader perspective. We can see XAUUSD's price action over the last few months. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a strong uptrend punctuated by periods of consolidation and pullbacks. From November 2023 to the present, gold has demonstrated significant bullish momentum, climbing from around $1,900 to over $3,000. We can see pullbacks to the 2,000, 2,300, and 2,600 levels, suggesting psychological support. However, it's crucial to pay attention to the recent consolidation around the $3,020 level, so let's zoom in on the past few months. Now we're focused on more recent price action. We see that XAUUSD, after hitting some all-time highs, has entered a period of consolidation. The most recent candles are showing choppiness, suggesting uncertainty in the market. According to the news, traders are weighing the potential impact of Trump's tariff policies and Fed's future decisions. A breakdown below $3,000, if it occurs, would signal a potential shift in momentum. Let's move to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at the current consolidation phase. We will filter the last few days to get a sense of intraday movement. On the 1-hour time frame, we see more clearly the sideways movement. There isn't a strong trend either way, meaning we should look for support and resistance to plan trades. Notable support seems to be around $3,000, as well as the $2,900 to $2,910 range. To refine our strategy further, let's switch to the 15-minute chart, focusing on the most recent price action. Here's a detailed view of XAUUSD's price movements over the last couple of days. On this 15-minute chart, you can see how gold has been trading in a tight range recently, mostly between about $3,017 and $3,026. There appears to be short periods where the price trends downwards to about $3,009 or so before correcting again. There's opportunity for short trades down to the $3,009 level, but be careful because prices seem to be bouncing off of it. Also, be aware that Trump's tariff comments, or really any large economic announcement, could cause a breakout in either direction. The key is to monitor the news closely for a potential trigger. To recap, on the daily chart we see a long uptrend, but recent consolidation suggests it may be slowing down. On the shorter-term charts, we're seeing sideways movement with price bounded between $3,000 and $3,025, but sometimes trending as low as $3,009. Important support to watch is the $3,000 level. A break below this could lead to further bearish momentum. On the upside, breaking above $3,030 would signal renewed bullish strength. The likelihood of either scenario depends heavily on upcoming economic data and geopolitical events. Keep an eye on comments from the Fed and any news regarding tariffs. As always, manage your risk appropriately. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.